Hello, I'm Tamer Ksovreli. Today I'm going to share our latest private house project that I worked on as an architect. I will walk you through the idea, the design process, and some of the details that make this project really special. There is a common issue with the large modern homes. They look impressive from the curb, but inside they often feel like high-end fish bowls. You have the square footage, but you're constantly exposed to the street. With this project, we took a different approach. We're looking at 1,200 square meters on a 3-level site, and our goal was to create a sanctuary using metal and light. I want to show you how we integrated a private forest into a sharp steel exterior and why this layout is a total departure from typical residential design. When we started, the client's requirements were specific. They wanted a contemporary, visually striking home that functioned as a private fortress. The challenge was managing 1,200 square meters without making the building feel like a heavy, closed-off box. In an urban environment, providing that much space while maintaining a connection to a garden requires changing how the building breathes. The core of the solution is introverted architecture, a concept we don't see often in local private projects. Instead of a solid block facing the neighbors, the entire house is organized around a central green courtyard. This space acts as the lungs of the building. It pulls natural light into the deepest parts of the floor plane. So whether you are in the kitchen or a corridor, you're always looking at greenery. It creates a 360-degree private environment that's completely hidden from the outside. For the exterior, we moved away from the standard stone or plaster you see everywhere in Tbilisi. We chose metal cladding because of how it reacts to the environment. In the morning, the house has a sharp silver tone. By sunset, the surface starts to glow and change color. We also designed custom metal louvers. They are not just for the aesthetic. They act as a functional skin that blocks direct heat while casting these very specific geometric shadows across the interior floors. A big part of the design was balancing weight and weightlessness. If you look at these large cantilevered sections, they are engineered to keep the views as open as possible. By removing bulky support pillars, the interior spaces feel like they bleed directly into the landscape. When you're on the terraces, the structure recedes, and the focus is entirely on the surrounding environment. The final result is a project where the metal, the glass, and the landscape function together. It proves that contemporary architecture can be bold and industrial while staying in sync with nature.